How long should I boil the ham to remove the salt?
Boiling a ham is a great way to remove excess salt, and today we'll walk you through the process step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how long to boil your ham and how to properly prepare it for a delicious meal.
How do I prepare my ham for boiling?
1. Choose the right size pot. Make sure to select a pot large enough to accommodate your ham, with enough room to fully submerge it in water. 2. Rinse the ham. Before boiling, rinse your ham under cold running water for a few minutes to wash away any surface salt.
How much water do I need?
To properly boil the ham, you'll want to fill your pot with enough cold water to completely cover the ham by at least an inch. This will ensure even cooking and effective salt removal.
How long should I boil the ham?
The boiling time depends on the size of the ham and how much salt you want to remove. As a general rule, boil the ham for 20 to 25 minutes per pound, 450 grams, of meat. This will help ensure that the ham is cooked through and that most of the salt is removed.
Can I add flavor to the ham while boiling?
Absolutely. Adding ingredients such as onions, carrots, celery, bay leaves, and peppercorns to the boiling water can enhance the flavor of the ham. Feel free to experiment and add your favorite herbs and spices.
What's next after boiling the ham?
Once the boiling process is complete, carefully remove the ham from the pot and let it rest for a few minutes. You can now proceed with your desired recipe, whether that involves glazing and baking, or simply serving the boiled ham as is. Boiling ham is an effective way to remove excess salt and create a tender, delicious meal. Just remember to boil for 20 to 25 minutes per pound of meat, rinse the ham before boiling, and consider adding some flavorful ingredients to the pot. Enjoy your perfectly cooked ham.